Well, hey everyone, Joey O'Connor, and thanks for watching another video. So something a little different, and I've been meaning to come up with this way of cooking a pork roast the way I can remember it, so I don't have to get out a recipe card or look at a book or whatever. So I've done this maybe 6 times now, and I think today came out pretty doggone perfect. And so I put them up on the screen for you so you can see kind of the directions. So I begin in a cold oven, 400 degrees for 1 hour, 300 degrees for another hour, 200 degrees for another hour, and then turn the oven off and let it sit in a warming oven for an hour. Then take it out, uncover it. Now you can see I'm getting rid of all the juice in the bottom. You don't have to do that if you just want to shred it and use all the juice, but I don't like it that way. It gets a little bit too wet for me. So I'm going to drain all the juice out in this cup, and then I'm going to add back a little bit and a little bit later. But look, I think this thing came out perfect. And so what I did this morning, my wife had a substitute teaching job this morning. So she left at 7:30. So I just opened this up, put it in the casserole dish. I think this is just like a 8x8 Pyrex. Shoved it in the cold oven, turned it on 400 degrees, and I set my timer on my phone every hour just to remind me. So I came in my office and did my work, continued on my day, and the timer went ding, and so I got up and turned the oven down and set another timer, and so on and so forth. And so from 7:30, and now it's about 11:30, took it out, shredded it up, and I think it's going to be pretty doggone tasty. So, you can see what I'm going to do here in a little bit, but you could serve this in a bunch of different ways. But here for lunch, I'm going to do it a very, very simplistic way. I'm going to show you here in a minute. So yeah, I'm just talking a little bit extra. I could have sped up the video a little bit, but I didn't. So the deal is, shred it up a little bit, and you're going to see here in just 1 second that I'm going to add some moisture back into it. It's really wet enough right now, but I add just a little bit more of this back and mix it up, get it just a little bit wetter. Well, spill some on the counter, why don't you? But anyway, so you do that. And then the other day when I was in Aldi, I was like, you know what, I'm tired of buns. Let me get something else. So here you go. I'm going to go run and get them, and I'm going to show you. So look, it's so simple, and these things are fairly cheap. So grab you a pack of tortillas. Now, if you want to, take a little bit extra time. You can grill these tortillas up a little bit in a pan with a little bit of olive oil. That'll give them a little bit of crunchy on the outside. But other than that, if sometimes you want a quick meal like I do, like most of us do anyway, grab yourself a tortilla, throw you some barbecue pork in. This is barbecue flavor, by the way. They have a couple of extra flavors, so try them all and see what your favorite is. Wrap them up in a tortilla and shove it in your mouth. All right, take care. See you next time.